let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my...
Before we start this video, I just want to let you know that somebody requested this video. It is a squishy collection. I know I have done about 2 of these, but I am going to delete the one that I did a while ago, not my first video. My first one was a squishy collection, but my second one that I did, I'm going to delete and then just keep this one. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be doing my squishy collection, so yeah, let's get started. The first squishy that I have today, this is not going in order, but the first squishy that I have today is this reproduced KSI penguin. Next squishy that I have is this dolphin cake. Next squishy that I have is this soft and slow cheeseburger. Next squishy that I have is kind of like a reproduced cake of one brand. I forgot what it was. Next squishy that I have is this reproduced... Sorry, I have a lot of reproduced squishies, but it is the reproduced Punimaru Jumbo Lemon. Next squishy is a Key Brew ice cream. This next squishy is the reproduced version of the Punimaru Jumbo Panda Donut. Next squishy is this unicorn that I got for my birthday. This next squishy is this red velvet cake from Soft and Slow. Next squishy is a Soft and Slow taco. Next squishy is a mini croissant from Off the Wall. These next squishies, I have 2 of. These are the Soft and Slow OG squishies. This is the one from my friend Felicia, and this is the one from my grandma. It's just the texture that I can remember them from. Next squishy is another Soft and Slow squishy. It is just this Soft and Slow cake. Next squishy is a Soft and Slow narwhal. Next squishy is one of the Crazy Poo squishies from Punimaru and the Duet the Helicopter. But this is the reproduced version. Next squishy is an Aridi fox fish. Fox eating a fish, not a fox that looks like a fish. Squishy is this Soft and Slow peanut butter and jelly sandwich. We have a broken watermelon that my best friend gave me. Next we have this jumbo cake. It just came from Amazon. Squishy is the Amazing Squishy Monkey marbles. And here's all the ones that you can collect on the back. I have marbles. Squishy is this milk carton. Squishy is this Soft and Slow pug. Next squishy is this cake roll. Squishy is this reproduced Iblum Pom Pom hamster. Next squishy is this Arila Kuma bear donut. Next squishy is this Shopkins hamburger. Next is this Soft and Slow teal seal. Is this ice cream sundae. Next squishy is an reproduced iBloom milk bottle. Next is this peach. This next squishy is this costume Soft and Slow squishy, and you put them in through here. Next is this dog mermaid. Next is this owl. Next is this banana. Is this soft and slow prank squishy eyeball. Next squishy is this soft and slow unicorn. Different unicorn. It is just this Giggles unicorn head. Next is this soft and slow jumbo hot dog. Next we have this cat in a cup squishy. Next is just this emoji bun with the chain. Next we have this bread squishy that I just got from County Market when they first came out. Just another OG soft and slow squishy. This is just the stack of pancakes. Is this little like dumpling slash empanada type thing, I'm not sure what it is just the OG panda bun with the red bow. This is not the end of the video, but I just want to say, because I am editing this video right now, but I just want to say, when I was showing the red bow on that panda bun, I voiceovered that at the perfect time when I pointed to that, because I am doing a voiceover right now. Just gotta pause and say that. I don't know why, but back to the video. Next is just this pink little donut with a bite out of it. Next is this soccer ball crush ball, and I have to say so myself, it is a little dirty. This next squishy is just this 2 ice cream Giggles ice cream cone. Next is this Cat Zoo Pop Pop Cheeks. Next is this soft and slow macaron stack. Next is this jumbo rainbow strawberry. Next is this reproduced version of the iBloom strawberry that I do have in my squishy trade video. Next squishy is like a little blue poop, and it's from a blind bag squishy. They have this earth squishy from Walgreens. Next is this green dice cube from Walgreens as well. This reproduced Billy the Whale. And the reproduced Millie the Whale. Next is this mini pineapple squishy with the chain. Next is this really small and adorable squishy from Smushy Mushy of a cotton candy. Next is this mini Pop-Tart from Smushy Mushy as well. Next is this little Smushy Mushy, not ice cube, what's it called? Sugar cube. Next is this Smushy Mushy candy apple. This is an OG cupcake from Soft and Slow. It's ombre, it's super pretty. Next is this football crush ball. Next is this reproduced Cutie Creative Tooth, and I did lose the packaging for this. Next is this Giggles Watermelon Scented Poop. Next is this Giggles French Fries. Next is this green apple. Next is this red apple. This is my very first squishy ever. It has so many defects. Like, I'm just shook. But anyway, this is my very first squishy, and this came from Target. It was originally an ornament, but I turned it into a squishy. is this Smushy Mushy Cotton Candy Lamb. Next is just this thin bread. This next one is a Ninja Stress Ball in the shade black. Next is this red Ninja Stress Ball. Next one is this defected Panda Bun. Is this Basketball Crush Ball. Next are the rest of my Crush Balls, which I have 3. This green one, I forgot what it is. This baseball. And this golf ball. Next is this cat burger. These next ones, they came in a pack, so I decided to show them together. The first one is this green donut. The next one is this pink donut. Next is this capybara song looking thing. Next is this soft and slow bear in a cup. Next are these 2 buns, which is the pomper, the dog, and the smiley bun. Next is this broken in half carrot. Next is this soft and slow penguin. Next, all my mini and jumbo poops from Justice. So first we have this purple poop. Then we have this jumbo ombre pink and yellow poop. Next we have this rainbow poop. Next we have this pizza cookie poop. Next we have this magenta poop. And finally we have another ombre pink and yellow one, but it is smaller. Next we have this thing. Next we have this diamond from another squishy blind bag opening. Next I have this panda bun with the tongue sticking out. Next we have this dog bun squishy. Next we have this reproduced mini Breado turtle. Next we have this OG soft and slow cinnamon roll. I have this super soft and slow rising cat. Next we have this panda toast. Next we have this donut of some sort that I got Sharpie on. Next we have this mini pear with a chain. Next we have this popsicle. It lost its stick. It's kind of like a stress ball. Next we have this green and pink sprinkled ice cream. Just when you thought the jumbo was over, it wasn't. Next we have this jumbo dragon from Soft and Slow. Next we have this reproduced mini eye bloom strawberry. Guys, last but definitely not least, we have pumpkin with a whipped cream on its head, reproduced version of the Punimaru. Guys, that was it for the entire video. Like all my videos on this channel to get a shout out, and like all my videos on my second channel to get a shout out over on that channel. But anyway, yeah, that was it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys later. Peace. Love y'all.